Dental implants are a well-known choice for replacing teeth that are missing. However, many patients worry about the expense. Dental implants cost may vary according to a number of variables, like the number of implants required and the type of material employed, and the place of the dental practice. One of the major aspects that influence the price associated with dental implants can be the quantity of implants that are required. If you are only looking to replace a single tooth, then the expense will be less than if you require multiple implants. The material used in the implant will also affect the price. Titanium implants are by far the most commonly used type, while zirconia implants are growing sought after and can be costlier. Another element that can affect the price for dental implants is the area of the dental practice. Dentists who are located in urban areas or areas that have a more expensive cost of living could be more expensive for dental implants compared with clinics in rural regions. You should research the various dental clinics and compare costs prior to choosing where you can receive the implants for your teeth. Apart from the price for the implant itself, in addition to the cost of the implant itself, there are various other costs that you should consider before acquiring dental implants. They could be the price for x-rays and consultations, as well as any other procedures you may require for the sinus lift or bone grafting. It is essential to factor into these extra costs when you are budgeting to pay for implants. There are many people who worry about the possibility that dental insurance may be able to cover the costs of dental implants. Although certain insurance plans could provide a percentage of the costs, others do not provide coverage for dental implants completely. It's important to speak with your insurance company to find out what coverage is available and also to look into different financing options in the event of need. Although they are expensive upfront, dental implants, they're an investment for the future in the health of your mouth. Contrary to other alternatives for replacing teeth like bridges and dentures, implant-supported dental implants provide a lasting option that lasts long if taken care of. They can also save you more money over the course of time, as they don't require periodic maintenance or replacement. Costs for dental implants is contingent on a number of variables, including the number of implants that are required, as well as the material that is used and the place of the dental practice. Even though the initial expense may be costly, but dental implants are an investment over the long term in the health of your mouth that will offer many benefits. You should research the various dental clinics, take into consideration the cost of additional services, and research ways to finance the cost of dental implants lower. Make sure you prioritize your oral health and talk to an experienced dentist for the ideal option for your treatment needs.